lwentyalike yabantu ababizwa ngamawisile bekukuzama ukuvuselela ibandla nokuzama ukuba njalo abantu abangamawisile mawuqala unyaka bafumana ithuba lokubulela kuThixo ngonyaka ogqithileyo ngesandla sikaYehova esibagcinileyo. Baphinde ngaxesha linye bazimise phambi koThixo besithi andiseyena wam ndingowakho, ndithathe undibeke apho uthanda khona. Bezinikezela besithi nakulona unyaka mtsha izinyawo zami, izandla zami nelizwi lami nako konke kwami makusetshenziselwe wena. Yasuka ke le ntsingiselo yale nkonzo kusukela ngoko 11th August 1755 kude kube kangoku abantu abangamawisile rhoqo minyaka le ingakumbi kule tyalike yamawisile eseAfrika esemazantsi sidibana mawuqala unyaka ukuba nathi sibekho phakathi kwabantu abaza kwenza umnqophiso ngokutsha. Lo kungumnqophiso ilona lowo ezisondeza yena ngokuthanda nokuvuma kwakhe enganyanzelwanga muntu. Ngaxesha linye inkonzo yomnqophiso, inkonzo yokuba abantu abangamawisile benze le nto ethethwa yiWesley Guild ethi pulse check. I-pulse check ukuziva uba usaphila na, umzimba usashukuma. More importantly, ngisakwazi ukuzwa nokubona ubuhlungu. On Wednesday xa silungiselela le mini yanamhlanje sidibane eBoston sathetha about pain as gift nobody wants. So abantu abadibanayo kule nkonzo yamawisile yomnqophiso yinkonzo yabantu abasondela ukuzobheka ukuthi sisakwazi na ukuva inhlungu yombelwane nokubona inhlungu yasekuhlaleni. Yinkonzo yabantu abathi ngenxa yokuba sisaphile enyameni nenhlungu sisayiva futhi sisayibona, ndibekeke nami ebuhlungwini. Ndingatsho ndisithi ndithandazele ilishwa lehlele kum, kodwa ndithi xa umeza elile busuku kwangayisikhalo sikameza singasika nekweyam inimba, ndive isikhalo ndingathi qwaka in the midst of the gunshots and the whipping at night. But abantu abangamawisile, if it is a pulse check, then it is a gift yokuba sicheck ama-arteries, imithambo ehlanganisa inyama nenhliziyo ukuthi sabetha na. Xa ubona umntwana ebheke esikolweni kwiintsholontsholo zemvula zalapha eKapa ehamba ngezinyawo without a raincoat, uyabuva na ubuhlungu. Because when you no longer see that pain, then you have ceased to become human and therefore there is no point. So ndibekeke ebuhlungwini so that the pain of the 14 that have lost their lives become the pain of the nation, not the pain of the parents. So put me to suffering. Amawisile will say, rank me with whomever you will. Ngibekeke noma ngabe ngibeke with my best friends, my colleagues, or ngibeke with my brothers in the YMG, or ngibeke with everyone and anyone else. Uma kusho wena kulungile, rank me, because I'm saying no one kaloku dingo wakho dilawulwa nguwe. And therefore the pulse check, it is the ability to feel. To feel is to suffer. Put me to suffering, therefore. Rank me with whomever. Ngamanye amazwi abantu abangamawisile xa bedibana kwinkonzo yomnqophiso sidibanela ukuba sikwazi ukuthi sihlale emantrasini ohlezi abazali abalahlekelwe ngabantwana. But mabelila, like the friends of Job, we sit and we say nothing, but we weep with them. Kaloku amawisile xa eze emnqophisweni athi sifuna ukuhlala othuthwini. Nabantu basedanuna bathenga izimpahla namakhaya bashiyeka bedengole bengenanto. Abantu bangamawisile bathi we have an ability to feel. Xa size emnqophisweni, we want to sit in the ashes of the homes that have burned edanuna. When we come to emnqophisweni, we want to check the pulse so that we can see the ability to feel, because to feel is to suffer. If to feel is to suffer, therefore we will see and weep with the wife of witness C. Marius van der Merwe, after giving his testimony at the Madanga Commission, days later, he is shot at cold blood in front of his family and he dies. That is not the pain of the van der Merwes, but that is the pain of the church. The pain of Wisili, this is a gathering of a pulse check. Sapila now. Does the pain of Mrs. van der Merwe moves you? Or you have decided, I have nothing to do with it. When pain knows color and race, then you have stopped being human. Bantu abangamoyisile badimana ke kwinkonzo yomnqophiso mihla minyaka le bezovuma uba noko sisaphila. Yena lento lekwaya ivume kamandi yathi wafika umnyaka omutsha ndisekhona ilishwa ngehlanga uThixo engigcinile nabantwana bami nekhaya lami khamente enhle ethandwa nguThixo. So ixesha lomnqophiso lixesha labantu who want to come and feel again. To feel is to suffer, because anyway love suffers, because love is suffering, because in love you compromise, you bend over backwards so that you can then be able to accommodate the one whom you love, because to love is to suffer. So this is a gathering of those who are driven by love, that suffering love that we see in our Lord Jesus Christ. But also to feel, it is to feel hope. In the midst of the 26 that have been killed in the Cape Flats a few days ago, over a period of 2 days, we gather here to feel hope. That we hear the gunshots, but we also hear light of Christ Jesus is stronger than darkness, and therefore no darkness will ever overcome the light of Christ. We come to feel hope. It is Saint Augustine of Hippo Befundis who speaks about hope itemba. At itemba, lina madodakazi amabili. Hope has 2 daughters. At the one daughter, it is anger. It is anger at the things that are happening. It is the anger at the status quo, Professor Nefu, of black men walking up and down, standing in the crossways and the byways, hoping they will find the misery. It is anger at the young people that we celebrated when they graduated, but what says Makaya, when we had hoped about this degree, but nothing has happened. Therefore, the first daughter of hope, it is anger at the status quo. Why do we have poverty? It is anger. Call it Russia's anger if you like. Which is the first daughter is anger at how society has collapsed, where good men and good women have been eroded. The loud voice we hear is the voice of the bad boys and the bad man who silences the good. The second daughter, Saint Augustine of Hippo, speaks. He says, the second daughter is speed, courage. It is courage not to accept the way things are. It is the anger that drives courage to say, we cannot live like this. It is the kind of courage, as when a man put down his life and said, there is a corruption within the security and policing system. He stood on that Sunday, wama with so much courage. What there is interference in this. That is why the security and policing has been infiltrated by the bad boys. That is courage. Speed. Esibiza amadoda that they stop hiding behind the waistcoat. Bahlangane emanyanweni sibethi impampam, sibethi ivesi, but our daughters are being slaughtered. It is the courage of man that says, if you want to touch my daughter, the only way to get to my daughter, it is through me. If I must die, let it be. Because this is the courage of men who call on the name of Jesus. So we need to renew and to revive hope with its two daughters, anger and courage. Kulende, at presiding bishop, yanqwala inkomo, xa ibeka umnkomo, was relocated and repositioned for mission and ministry. The other side awaits. Relocated and repositioned for mission and ministry. The other side awaits. Vumani ngikhabele. Dimisintente kule ncwadi yeNumeri. Okay. Sahluko seshumeli lesithathu. Kule verse yamashumi mathathu. Athi lo mbhalo uKhalebi wathulisa abantu phambi kukaMose. Wathi masenyuke khona manje silidle ngokuba sinamandla okunqoba. Ithi levangeli kule ncwadi ka-8:30. Then Caleb silenced the people before Moses and said, we should go up and take possession of the land, for we can certainly do it. Vumanele Hamed. Okokala befundisi bashumayeli, that I place it on record, that I'm aware of the problems of this text, given the history of land grabs and land occupation. I'm aware that this text is one of those that were used to justify that others must be displaced so that others will have accommodation. I am aware of the many biblical theories and biblical scholarship about how the land was invaded. I recognize all those theories, and I note on how this text has been abused and misused and misappropriated for selfish interest. But that is not my interest this morning. Ncwadi kaMoses uyibhala basendleleni uma nabangamathuba wokubhala a chapter as things happen. Ubhala le ncwadi bengabantu abakoluhambo. Yenza isensi ke le nto amawisile. We are a people on a pilgrimage of renewal. Singabantu bohambo, we are a pilgrim people. But in the balakileyo bohambo of being relocated and repositioned, ayisuki kusenzo kodwa nguThixo. Or it is time for you to reposition and relocate. That the journey will be determined by God. But the journey of being constantly relocated and repositioned. Because lendawo ohlala kuyo ngoku is not indawo ozalelwe kuyo. Abaninzi bethu bangabaphambukeli kweli khaba. We are constantly being relocated and repositioned whether in search of economic emancipation or for education or for whatever reason, we are constantly being moved and relocated and repositioned. So life is a pilgrimage of renewal. And therefore, the Bible tells us a lot about the journey, the pilgrimage. When we speak about the other side awaits, lele nto masiye kulo, lisayidi eliza kudinga ukuba ilowo nalowo mwisili walesekethe nakulo mzi waseBoston amamele kakuhle ukuba uthini uThixo. Lest you jump the gun and walk before the Lord says it is time. Then you beat on a step simply because you went according to your own mind and you did not listen to the commander called God. Moses, the writer, is first invited, I argue, but the other side awaits. But when the other side awaits and calls him to relocate and be repositioned, Moses hamba ubheke kwilizwe lase-Egypt. Ufike e-Egypt ukhulula abantu bami. Laba bantu babizwa ngamakhoboka, slaves, good for nothing people. Amagama babizwa ngawo ngamagama esibiza abantu abangebona abemi belilizwe. Amagama ngemnandi anganambithisekileyo, amagama babizwa ngawo kwelilizwe lokuphambukela. Kodwa xa uThixo ethetha noMoses ngalaba bantu, uthi Moses, laba ngabantu bami. Uyayazi lento yokuba ilizwe litrashe. When the world trashes you, calls you all manner of things, avela uThixo athi lo iunyana wami oyintanda, this is my beloved daughter. Because when the world trashes, God rescues. Wasuka Moses kutwa mayavalo mlayelo. So the call to relocate, the call to reposition is not always taking you to a new world. Not all of us who are relocating, we are going to relocate to a new space. Some of us will relocate to the place we have been. Kaloku kamentu Moses uzalelwe kwilizwe lase-Egypt. Wemka emva kokuba ebulele, wabhakwa kwabulele. Kodwa ngoku uthi uThixo, relocate, reposition back where you ran away from. At times, relocating and repositioning, it is taking us back to a place of pain. Not to a new place. Not to a new place, but lagunas moko zako khona. Ubuyisela la ungathathelwa ngqaleko khona. Kuthiwa to relocate and reposition, go back to Egypt. My goodness, this is God saying, at times for me to relocate to a new world, I need to go and settle the old scores. I need to go back, give care, so that I can be able to relocate to the new world. I want to relocate, but I've not made peace with my siblings. Return home. For the other side awaits. It is not always new lands that await. At times it is the old that wants you to heal. Moses must go back and face the trauma of living emanzini iminyaka, of living kwaFaro ebizwa ngendodana kaFaro. Now we need to return and face his demons. Listen to Msaki. Go on, nobody's gonna live your life. Fight your life. At times you need to fight your life where you failed. You need to go where the pieces are at and pick up the pieces. I want to make Uga. Is this not the one who failed? Yes, I am the one, but I've come back to the place where I failed. I want to pick up my pieces. To relocate. It's not always a new land, but at times it is going back to pick up the pieces. Kawana. Ngifuna ukuyela kule ndawo engakhona. Every time ngifumana ichance yokugoduka, I go back to the place imijondolo engakhulela kuyo, and I walk the streets. Kuvele kufika inyembezi. As I remember ukuthi one time we were a group of 18 boys esikoleni. Sihlupa singezwa. Out of 18 boys, only 3 of us survived 3 years post-matric. The majority died of AIDS. Others were stabbed at jointing in a shibin, and others were killed in prison. Zininzi izinto ezehlele abantu that I used to call them friends. But every time I go back home, they want to call me ngalela gama babengazi ngalo. Then I turn around without a call out my name and say mfowethu khuluma nami. Athi the tone, the voice, the demeanor isidima safari nalosenze simasinga elokishini. A time to relocate. It is not to the new land, but it is to go where izimoko zakho zikuko and pick yourself up. Bathi ngathi ngubani lo uthi ndenze indeba kadibana noJesu kanibigama elisha. I relocated to a place of life, to a place of light, to a place of all things good, because the other side. To Moses, Magabuyele. He remembers. Ukuthi I'm going back to a place. That other side that awaits, it is the old side that killed boys. When a Hebrew woman gives birth, if it's a daughter, let them live. Because the new Pharaoh understood to kill a nation, it is to kill the boy child. To kill the seed, it is to kill the boy child. I don't know why I said this on Wednesday in passing. Allow me to repeat it. Don't you see the new Pharaoh that is killing the boys? Don't you see the new Pharaoh that is sending young boys to go collect money for drugs? Don't you see the new Pharaoh that is feeding the young boys with alcohol? Don't you see the new Pharaoh called autism, called ADHD, called all these things that only attacks the boys, and the black child and the baby boy continues to suffer? Look at the stats. Out of 10 children, they say 8 will be born with autism. Take a sample of boys, let's say 10. About 8 will either have autism, ADHD, learning disorder, and all these neuro-related sicknesses, because there is a new Pharaoh. There is a new Pharaoh that is killing the boy child. But you know what? The other side awaits. It is the other side where men will return and say, we will not leave our baby boys behind, simply because they've been told that they are autistic, simply because they've been told that they are slow learners, that no one will be left behind. Young or old, we will go with them. Moses returns to pick up isidima sabantwana bangabafana, and he goes. And he goes. He appears before Pharaoh. To Pharaoh, manje ngoba nozabaza khamba. Niyaphi kakade? Uthi Moses, but what you must know is that siyahamba. The other side awaits. Because life is a pilgrimage of renewal. Ngoba nike abazakhamba sweleba. Athi sakhamba negugu nezaguga zethu. Namakhehla nezalwazi, obhuti nosisi, umlisela nomthindana, nemfuyo. Kuzakuhamba wonke umuntu. Ayikho into yethu ezakushiyeka apha. Sengathi uthi into ezakushiyeka apha ngamandla okukhoboka. Into ezakushiyeka apha are the bad memories of this place. We will take nothing with us except isidima negama likaYehova, so that we can go to the other side. It is important when we go to the other side that no one is left behind. No one must be left behind. Ndiyayazi lento yethu yokuba thina engathi sibhetere ekukholweni, ukholo lethu lubhetere, sifuna to gallop and leave the frame behind. Uthi Moses nalabo abantengayo enkonzweni abadinwayo asizubashiya, we will relocate with them. Besizwa besishwele uyabanceda bonke. Come from the other side away. Xa ifika uNebukadnezar ethi uIsrael akathathi izaguga, akathathi abantu abangafundanga, uthatha abantu abafundileyo nabantu abaneskill to build the city of Babylon. Ngoba ufuna abantu akazobayuza, but uThixo ufuna abantu abazomnqula, and therefore no one is left behind. Dear Wesley Gill, Vice President, in the year 2026, we leave no one behind. Dear Sweleba, this year, when a man falls, let us not be quick to remind him of umthetho nomgaqo wamanyano lamadoda. Let us remember ukuba kaloku sonke silapha ngenxa yamandla obabalo. No one will be left behind, young and old, male and female, whatever is the sexuality, nobody's gonna left behind, because if we wela siyonqula uThixo on the other side. For the other side only, Moses sets on it. Sets on a journey. Athi lo mbhali bafika kwintaba yaseSinai. Mayifika kwintaba yaseSinai, uMoses wahlisela umthetho, wafoma uIsrael. The journey in the wilderness. Former dean of the seminary, Reverend Tiroyamone Umsitwe. The journey in the wilderness. It is a journey of seminary formation. It is a journey of keeping kakade. It is a journey of keeping umuntu emntwini. It is a journey of keeping ukuthi vele mina ngumumo wami ndinje. It is a journey of keeping lento ukuthi vele mina ndikhwata. It is a journey yokuthi vele mina ngibhekelwa. Bayangazi ngilwa manga ngikweyiki. Singaphumela lapha endleleni in the wilderness. Wilderness is not a curse, but wilderness is a school where new morals will be formed, where new characters will be shaped. Embrace the journey in the wilderness, but the destination is not the wilderness. We are going to the other side. Gobulamandla, the one who's relocating us. For now, with the wilderness, it is a wilderness school. It is a wilderness school. Noma, yokwanga, emanyameni. In the wilderness school, ila kuphekwa khona omama bomthandazo abangathandazi xa kusilehe, kodwa bathandazayo noma kuhle noma kuhlanga. In the wilderness sifunda ukunikeza idolo umthandazo. In the wilderness indodana noma ngabe kusebumnandini iyamiqine ngoba yona yamkela uKristu. In the wilderness, it is God who sends them to relocate. But even if it's God who sends you to relocate, something about Zabalula. In as much as it is God who says, I will relocate you to the other side. Because solo hamba lunejaba. Futhi lo hambo lude. Abatsha bayathi baphelelwe ngamandla. Sidikwe siyeke. But in the journey of wilderness, bathi sebediniwe ebuye ukuyothetha noThixo Moses. Athi xa ehla fika abantu abadiniweyo, dancing around the golden calf. Kudala bethandaza impendulo ingaveli. Bazenzela ithole legolide. Yekhamini kuyalindwa in the journey to the other side. Sungama. Don't take matters into your own hands. Sungama. God is on time, for your ways are greater than my ways. Indlela zakho ziphakamile kunenyinga zami. I will do one thing. I will wait upon the Lord, for I know when the time is right, I will make it happen. Arise, for your light to shine. Well, Moses, you should have given up. If I was Moses, I would have written a letter Dear Reverend Musilu Saba, General Secretary of the Methodist Church of Southern Africa, Bruma, Johannesburg, 2000. Dear fellow colleague, if I was Moses, this was going to be my letter. It has been my immense joy and privilege to walk and pilgrim among the Methodist people of Second 102 in the Belleville of the Cape of Good Hope district. But the journey over the last few days has proven untenable and relations strained that they cannot be replaced. I therefore write this letter that may you please place it before the presiding bishop of the Methodist Church, the Reverend Phumla Nzimande, that I request permission to leave the station. Because didikiwe nabantu bancenga ucenga abantu abathi babelambile banikezwe isikwa bathi bancane banikezwe amanzi, but one moment they don't get what they've asked for. They praise other gods. But Moses, he had sacrificed that which the Lord has said, slow to anger. Slow to anger. Moses litigated. Moses litigated. No me funa ukuthetha. Uvela bambeke. Efuna ngola amazwi aphela emlonyeni. Kanti licebo likaThixo, those who will lead the church in 2026 babathintile, slow to speech. Slow. Nekas lelele malfakwe ice in this year 2026. NgingumZulu mina ngenziwa kanjani. Slow to anger, slow to speech, relocated, repositioned. May we be relocated from Umsino. Can you be relocated from the people that have had to last year? Can you be relocated from the failures of last year? Can you be relocated from everything that has failed? May the dreams that failed, may you receive a mantamata that I know I failed last year, but today I will rise. Dipeleke mkhululi, madipatelele kuwe, yobamnandagaba nawe, dipekatima. I am relocating. The old address of anger is closed. Don't send any love letter to the address of hate. I no longer live there. I have relocated. Where now do you live, Central? I live at the Shalom address. Shalom is not the absence of war, but it is not the absence of hunger. It is not the scarcity. It is in the midst of scarcity. Uthi ninento zonke mina. Ngoba ndinawo abaninzi banamafu abazigabisa ngawo kodwa mina nginelifeli nguwe. I now live in the address called Shalom. I've been relocated. Siyakwazi, you are a failure. Nothing you have done that has never succeeded. Ndathutha apho. Sendihlala kwa Shalom. Sendihleli noYesu onguKristu mkhululi. Thutha la wakhe khona. Change your address. Relocate. Reposition to the other side where laughter, smile, joy, and prosperity awaits you. Dear brethren, care to relocate. Dear Boston Heights, care to relocate. Allow me. Basuke endabeni yaseSinai athi lombhalo kule ncwadi yeNumeri bafika kwindawo ethiwa kuseKadesh Barnea maduna. Fika eKadesh Barnea athi umbhalo uBernard Anderson kuseKadesh lapho umnqophisi waseSinai ubungaphelela khona. Ngoba kula kuvuke khona a new enemy.
Your president.
Befundisa abadala abaphila ngesikhathi sikaPatrick. Ubeba besithi It was easier in the apartheid system to know who is the enemy. It is very difficult in the new dispensation because suddenly you do not know which is your man. There are times the enemy is no longer white-skinned, but it is a black brother and a black sister. The difficulty, yes, a Kadesh.
Aye, a new enemy. A new enemy.
Egypt, besilwa no Faro, uclean. Kadesh, awusaqondi nanini nasibhakela. Ukuthi kubethu baphi. Kadesh, Moses uyakhokhela asuke uMiriam. Lo oke wathi xa bewelulwa ndlolovu ulelani Jehova kube luki. Apha eKadesh akasavumi la ngoma. Usevuma ukuthi Moses must fall. Moses must fall. KuseKadesh kuchitheka umnqobisi. Hayi Thixo, mna ndikwazi ukuthetha. Ndizafika ndithini kuFaro? Hamba nomntakwenu uAaron ngowegazi. Kuye uyafika thethe phaa kuFaro. Ngoku uAaroni apha eKadesh akasathethi le nto ebethunywe yona. Ujikela uMoses. Impi isendlini. Impi ilapha endlini kabegazi. Ngabe but you know, Moses has hlulekile uMoses. Kunini okokosithi imana. Thina sesikhumbula la nyama yase-Egypt. Kubhetere sifumane inkokheli. Sibuyele eGibhithe siyophathwa sidle inyama khona. Yerhamente mlaleleni uPawulos. Renew. Be transformed by the renewal of your mind. You hear the clever blacks. Yazi apartheid yayibhetele ngalo rhulumente sikuyo. Be transformed by the renewal of the mind. Bakhumbula inyama of the abusive husband called Pharaoh. Uyababetha abangombe babe ne-blue eye bafuke sasa abanikeza ukudla bathi sifuna ukushawa for as long as we have food. Dear black child, leave that Pharaoh that is beating you up for the sake of a weed. Leave that stupid man. Ngapha ngakithi nonsense. We have settled for the crumbs under the table. We have settled Satomi Sidima of our black sisters and mothers. Sitomi Sidima, Sikumbulu Faro, Naindela, the other side awaits. I will be called the dear beloved Batan. Batan. Apha Egypt bendibizwa ngekhoboka, ndibizwa ngamagama abuhlungu. Kodwa apha eKadesh kulungisa umnqophiso. Kuthiwa mangibiza kuthiwe Batan. I don't know whether you understand the rhythm. Yombhedesho weminye eKapa. Ivele isukela lithi siphosisile salahlekana nendlela zakho njengegusha esilahlekileyo. Yehle into Yehova. Ungenzi into kungabi ngenxa yolaka lakho ungazukenza into encinane. Athi ka ifike ezantsi lo mbhali athi bathanda. After you have been told all these things by the world, but listen to what I call you, Batam. I will not give you food. Better get better. I will give you an open table. You know what? I will even lay down my life for you because when love relocates, it relocates you from love to love. until in heaven we take our place. Kabel, Suku Moses. What Moses? By the way, don't say into esizwe lapha eKadesh akona uba sihlala. Kodwa siyagqitha eKadesh. Siyagqitha eKadesh. Masigqitha ke eKadesh. Masimenike. Suke wangqala. You settled. Waka a double story eKadesh. God is not stupid. Because God says, "Can me no misintent. Mna ndiyafika ndibingelele kuni. Xa sebili ixesha loba nithi relocate, ilif liyakulikhokhela. It is time for you to fold the tent and move. Ndalama wakhi double story eKadesh.
Aye.
Chitha lo double story. Moses uthumela amadoda ayishumi nambili representing all the tribes. Hambani ke niyohlolela ilizwe uThixo athe siyakulidla. Ahamba la madoda kadwa nize nibuye nengxele. Athi xa ibuya la madoda, hold on. The book of Numbers is obsessed about numbers, literally. One of the most boring books you can ever read. If you really have insomnia, read Numbers. I guarantee you will fall asleep. You won't make it to chapter 4. Iyokutshela ukuthi nazi izizwe eziyishumi nambili. Le ikhokhelwa ngubani? By 5,000. Le ekabani? By 57,000. Uma kuthiwa kuyohlola ilizwe, kuthathwa amadoda ayi-12 kwindlu nendlu. Khamane kuphuma ithenda. Kuphuma ithenda yomsebenzi. Le thenda xa iphuma ayinikangwa indlu kaJuda no-Efrayim kuphela. Kodwa le thenda inikezwe wonke amadoda alapha ekuhlaleni. Yizihubo lamadoda nensizwa zakwaZulu. Sikhulelela ukuthi umuzi nomuzi kube khona osebenzayo. We pray that in each and every household there will be at least one person who's employed, so that there will be bread in each and every household. When God gives a tender, the tender does not go to those who are politically affiliated, but it goes to every home. Ukuzumzi nomzi bathi lasithele ilanga baba nesonka ayikho indoda ezongaphangeli kube khona amadoda aphangela yami mathathu uzulu. The God of justice, He sends the 12 and off they go. But xa befika balibona ilizwe. Lizwe lihle libaleka ubusi, libaleka amasi, nomhlaba wabo mhle uveza isikhala. Yonke into inhle. On the other side, God ikhona ingxaki. Abantu bapha zingqilimbele. They are the giants. They make us look like grasshoppers. Noma kuthiwa siyafunda, angeke sikwazi ukulidlela ilizwe. Mabebuya bezokwenza ingxele, babuya bephethe izithelo zelelizwe. Yekhamente bathunywa kathiwa nize nibuye nezithelo. Dear my young brother and sister, Uthe xa uhamba ekhaya elalini ungeniswa endlini enkulu uthandazela. Ubheke CBUT, ubheke UWC, ubheke University of Cape Town, ubheka wherever institution of higher learning. Kathi uyekhaya mntanami sesithembe wena. Hamba mntanami uye kwela Kapa likhulu kangaka. Kodwa xa ubuya uzubuya nesithelo. Babuya nazi isithelo kodwa bathi asikwazi to get the best of it all. Sithole just a taste ngoba abantu baphabaza ngisoyisa. Again, selling yourself short. We only deserve the grapes, not the land. No, we want just to harvest. We don't want to own the vineyard. Because if we're not getting singabantu abafuna ama-orange, but asifuni to own the orchard. Then they come back. Benza lendlela bathi soze silidle leli. Atsho onke la madoda, all 10 of them. Aphendule uCaleb kulo verse 8. Athi mna noJoshua sithi masinyuke ngoku silidle lalizwe. Ngokuba mkhulu ngakithi kunaloyo sesizweni. Asabhenka lokhu. Sasidinga uba siyaphelela ulwandle olubovu. Kodwa uThixo ngamandla akhe wavula indlela enhlango. Nakaloku nje masinyuke silidle lizwe. Same eyes, same people. They see a different thing. Khona babone a crippled man, babone ingweleha ihlezi etempelini. Kodwa uPeter does not see a crippled man. He sees a brother. Amnikeza isandla. When everyone sees him as a good for nothing man, indoda engaphangeliyo ehlala eduze kwetempeli icela amalizo. Athi uPetros, look at me. Jonga mina emehlweni sinikeza isandla. Igolide nesilver asinalo. When everyone sees a black man as a good for nothing, may a new black man rise and see the forgotten and say, ndikululele isandla. Egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha baba. Kama ndiye ethanda uThixo. Bekusolwandle bewela emkhumbeni athi uYesu uhlwile masiwelele ngaphesheya. Walala uYesu enqanaweni, walala emkhombeni athi lo bhali ngokuyikhushini. Walala lwavuka uqhwithelo, bavuka abafundi. Mongameli awukhathali na sithabalala. Ulele uYesu phakathi koqhwithelo. Jesus is sleeping in the midst of the chaos because Jesus is saying this is nothing. You are seeing the waves and you're thinking amaza inaki. Ingakawona maza inaki ngumoya. Wasuku Yesu and speak to the source of the problem. Ndichukue moya tu. Come on. Ubez will treat his symptoms. Don't you want to try Jesus this year? Don't you want to wake Jesus up? For the symptoms treatment is not helping. If you look for yes, now. It made Jesus of the year 2026 avuke laleni athulisa uqhwithelo angongoza yafulelwe ofuna yafumane osebumnyameni afumana ukhanya. Don't you want to try Jesus this year? But who's this? That never more than kaloku yile mimoya evele ithi mangena uYesu mangena umntwana kaJesu imimoya iqubude kuwe hayi ngawakha amandla ngenxa yogqobo lwamazulu ngoba ngubani ke lo othi xa ingena imoya ivele izole. It is Jesus who says let us cross over, but still uqhwithele yavuka. It is Jesus who relocates us, but in the journey to relocate there will still be uqhwithele. Take heart, keep the faith, run your race. Sisekhathesh bane iJordan sebeyibonela kude. uCaleb uthi I'm not a grasshopper. We have accepted ukubizwa by things that have no value. Vele mina ngiyilonto ngiyilonto nje manje dilila talata. Diliyakayaka. Vele mina njengomuntu ongenako. Vele mina I am good for nothing. I will amount to nothing. Vele mina. And Caleb today says, I am not a grasshopper. For God is a giant, bigger than the giants in the land. But there is an old enemy there. To Caleb, I don't care about the old enemy. The old enemy was once defeated, and Ngogo will defeat the old enemy. Come. Relocate. Reposition. For the other side awaits. On the other side, we will meet abantu abasheze duze kwetempeli. Abangene etempeli becela amandla. As we go into the temple, spare a moment, give them the blessing. Egameni kaJesu waseNazaretha vuka sukuwa. This is the year of the blessing. This is the year of the Lord. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me to preach the good news to the poor, to break the chains and to open the prisons open. This is the year of the Lord. The other side awaits. On the other side, konutando. On the other side, there is prosperity. On the other side, there is light. On the other side, looking is today. The other side awaits. Chiko magantana. Chiko magansigele. Chiko magenzi kusubaki mkhanya nakuni. Azanike. Oh no. To those of us in the itinerant ministry of the Methodist Church, uma kufika ixesha elithile kuthiwa fold your tent and move to the other side. Awulazi nokulazi the other side, but you go in faith ukuthi nalapho ndiyakhona kukho abantu bakathile. Because ngihlala 7 years eBhayi. Ndalibala ukuba kaloku eBhayi akusikona ekhaya. Imbalelwano ezifikayo zifikela number 5 Marshall Road in Human. Ndifonelwa ligosa lesekrethe. Mfundisi kunembalelwane negama lakho apha. It is from the sheriff of the court. Doyika ukuyivula. Ndibone uba inobuzaza lento. Ndithini mfundisi? Ngithi xaba sukoyika. Vula incwadi. The first page will tell us what are the matters. Did we take a photo and send it to me via WhatsApp? Athathe photo esethu. Ayithumele ku WhatsApp nditsho. Ndimfonele back xaba. Take the letter out of the envelope. I want us to read it together. And then it says, the Port Elizabeth High Court, blah, 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 in a matter between Mr. Senzo T. Ndlovu, the other name. ID number. The matter between the above respondent and the applicant. Messiah Kaza, this telecommunication company that we were once contracted to. As the then superintendent of the circuit, I then entered into the agreement egameni lebandla kodwa ingena ngesipho sikaSende. So ngoku the litigation is not against the church. The litigation, it is against Sende. Ndithi kwigosa suka. You just need a forwarding address. And the forwarding address is not number 33 Blythewood in Plattekloof in the Cape. Forward it to number 36 Havelock in PE Centre to the St. John's Methodist Church. Because this matter is not mine. I have left and I am on the other side. Izinto zakudala and no longer have a say over me. There is no legal commitment to represent St. John's Methodist Church. Ukakile umgibe sasita thina izinto zakudala ayisenasabelo mina. Give them the forwarding address. I have relocated. I have no longer the claim, nor the response to the lawyers, but instead, this is now a matter between Reverend Makusha and the company, because I acted when I was there, but I'm on the other side. I'm on the other side now. So Fuma is just a solo. Ziglande, Zuleke, is just a solo. Zikitine, Pega, Zapelegonge Wabagusha, Okulile, Tibela Gasempa, Tiselule Gonga Pambili, Gokestin Gosieto. I have relocated. I have been repositioned to the other side. Care to relocate. Care to relocate. Care to reposition. If someone is who wants to relocate, who wants to be repositioned. God because in this zaman lenkonzo yakho. Kodwa noma sengithi ngifuna ukwenza okulungileyo, kodwa isona sisenyameni simane singitsalele emuva. I no longer live in that address. I now live in a new address, and the new address is Shalom. Oh, time is there. Sendulale ebusuku ndingathusanga. Because greater is the one in me than the one who is in the world. Siyaphakama kulo nyaka ka-2026 to take the land, for it is the other side that awaits. KoKristu inkosi yethu. Sivume ivesi thandaza.